Merchant Chamber of Commerce is a more than 105 years old organization now, and it has more than 750 trade and industry members. It is one of the most premier chamber of commerce. It's helping its members by way of bringing in the big dignitaries, politicians, bureaucrats very near to them so that they can talk one to one, solve their problems. All our members, 100% of them are from West Bengal. They are totally or most of it are dependent on West Bengal for everything they do or they plan to do. There I think I have to talk for my company Century Plywood. We are here since 1986. I put up the plant when I was in actually college. I have a very wonderful experience. We have grown. I brought in probably just few 4, 5, 6 lakhs of rupees. Today Century Plywood is more than 1300 crores group. We have another cement units also. So yes, our experience in West Bengal has been good. You see, in the last few years of the last government, things had stopped actually. As far as this government is concerned, from the very beginning, I have seen that they are very pragmatic. If you look at the steps they have taken, you see, they have started a core committee because industrialists asked them that we should have a platform where we can interact with the chief minister and the finance minister and the industry minister directly. And she did it immediately. So she created a platform. Then even after that also, she has created many other committees now, where actually there are at a different industry levels. Suppose if you want, suppose if it's a textile industry, she has appointed one single topmost bureaucrat to look after any problems of a textile industry. She has even gone up to the extent that you have for 3 new coming up projects, she has put up one window, one person who looks after all the problems of these 3 industries. So I am very, very clear that yes, this government is pragmatic, proactive, and if they can sustain this kind of action, I am sure Bengal will get into the momentum again. The future, in very near future, I don't see much of a change in very near future because it will take time. I believe that in next 2 years or so, yes, we will see a lot of changes and lot many things happening. There are things happening right now also. The prospective investors, one thing is that whenever you do something, even a very small thing at your house, it doesn't happen very smoothly, you see. But we need to sustain our efforts. And number 2, my suggestion is that first go to the government and ask. People think that there is nothing, they are doing nothing. That is the outside perception. But once you go to the government, you meet the secretaries and the ministers, I am telling you so much has been done. There is a website, myenterprise.gov.in, something like that. My enterprise, if you type, you will get in, and you will find that most of the problems of any investors up to the medium scale are really taken care of.